We decided to come out to the forest, Don and I, and look around a little bit. Woo, hello, wasp. Get away from me. And we got to this spot. We found a couple structures, and I got a few pictures. But the coolest thing was, like, there are absolutely no rocks around here. No big, huge, beautiful rocks. It's just all, dirt. No rocks. Parked here to this beautiful stone here. And this one, though, laying right on top. A beautiful, beautiful stone. So I think I'm going to take it. Maybe it was a gift. I'm going to walk back there a little bit and see what's going on. Down this path, we come across a whole big old pile of rocks. And we got all this going on. It's part of the forest I've never visited. So we thought we'd come check out these rocks over here. A pile of them. Cool. What's that? Or something. Well, another part of the forest I've never seen, so let's see what's over here. The easiest way for me to go, I guess, is this way. I expected it to be a hole. It's not a hole, huh?
Yeah, it's not.
It's all flat. Well, I should have brought my stick. Oh, I expected it to be a hole. Wow. You just never know what's out here, do you? Wouldn't it be terrible if we were walking at night in the forest over there and didn't know about this cliff?
That might be back to the car.
That might be back to the car. We'll take it.
Yeah, it'd be great to sit here, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Especially during the first few weeks.
Yeah. We should. Well, we found this little pond off the beaten path. I'm almost thinking it's probably spring fed because a lot of stuff is dried up around here. And, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. There's some, could be hog. Could be hog, huh? Oh, it was? Yeah, it's gone down, but I still think it's spring fed.
Yeah, you can tell.
Oh, look! One of these. Oh, this is interesting. One of these clay pots from the many years ago. Look. Nice, huh?
What you got?
A clay pot from many years ago. So this is interesting because it's rounded on the inside. It's not squared. And years ago when I moved on my property, I found lots of these. So I think this is pretty cool find, actually.